Welcome to Dice Academy, my dear students. Yesterday we have I teach ratio and proportions part 2. This is the last problem solution. Just take 1 minute time and take this solution. Yesterday I have not given the solution for you. Just to see it. We can go for a new problem. Okay, we can go for the next new model problem. See the problem. A garrison has provisions. A garrison has provision for 20 days. After 5 days, 600 men left, and the provision lasts for 24 days. Find the number of men at the beginning. Once again, check out the problem. A garrison has provisions for 20 days. After 5 days, 600 men left, and the provision lasts for 24 days. Find the number of men at the beginning. Now in this problem, we don't know initially how many members are there. In the beginning or initially we don't know. So let us assume first of all X men. X men has food for how many days? 20 days. After 5 days they have eaten, that's why deduct -5. So this X men has food for how many days? 15 days only. Here after 5 days 600 men left, 600 members are left, so -600. So the meaning is X minus 600 men has food. How many days they have got last for food? For 24 days. The food is last for 24 days. This after 600 left, the remaining food is last for 24 days. Now once again the same formula. This is M1, this is D1. Already I told you the formula. What is the formula? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. The required formula is M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2 is the formula. M1 D1 means X into 15. I already told you this is M1, this is M2, this is D1, this is D2. So X into 15 is equal to X minus 600 into 24. This is M1, this is D1, M2, D2. So X into 15 is equal to X minus and so on. Now we can cancel with 3 table. 3 5s are 3 8s. So 5 into X 5X. 5X is equal to 8 into X 8X minus 8 into 6 4800. 4800. Now send minus 4800 to this side, 5X to that side. Minus term comes to this side, means it becomes positive 4800. Send 5x to that side, 8x minus 5x, 8x minus 5x, 3x. 3 ones are 3, 1200 times. So finally therefore x is equal to 1200 members. X means at the beginning, initially we assume x men. So that at the beginning how many members are there is, how many men are there? 1200 members is required. Same previous model, but initially we assume as x men. Same previous model we assume as x men. Write on this one. We can go for the next new problem, a small change. Here left we can take it as join. Join means you are taking it as plus. Write on this one first. Okay, now come to the next model problem. A small change in this one. So first of all, see the problem. A garrison has provision for 25 days. Provision for 25 days. After 10 days, 10 days, 1600 men joined. 1600 men joined, and the provision lasts for 9 days. Find the number of men at the beginning. What is the difference between the previous problem and this problem is, in the previous problem here left, now here joined means added. So in place of minus, here we can take it as plus. That is just a small change. Now see how can you do this problem. Same model, just simply you can do it as we can add it the members. See here, initially we don't know the men, we can assume as x men. X men has food for how many days? 25 days. After 10 days, means this 10 days they have eaten, subtracted -10. Now this X-Men has food for only 15 days is there. Here after 10 days 1600 when joined means we have to add, it will becomes plus 1600. By adding this 1600 when the process will last for 9 days. So it becomes X plus 1600 men has food for how many days? Only 9 days. By adding 600 the food is last for less days, 9 days. Once again this is M1 D1 M2 D2 M1 D1 M2, this is days D1, this is men M1. M1 D1 is equal to M2 formula. M1 means X into D1, D1 means 15 is equal to M2 X plus 1600 X plus 1600 D2 means 9. X into 15 is equal to X plus 16 into 9. Now we can cancel a table, 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 5 into X, 5X is equal to 3 into X, 3X. By expanding bracket 16 3s are 4800. 16 3s are 4800. Now send this 3X to this side, 5X minus 3X, 2X. 2X is equal to 4800 or 2 1s are 224 times. So therefore X is equal to 2400 is the answer. Therefore initially the men is 2400 men. Right on this one we can go for the next new model. Now come to the next new model. See the problem. A vessel is partially filled with a mixture of 60 liters milk and water in the ratio of 3:2. Find the quantity of water to be added to change the ratio 2:3. Once again check out the problem. A vessel is partially filled with a mixture of 60 liters milk and water in the ratio of 3:2. Find the quantity of water to be added to change the ratio to 2:3. This problem we can do in two methods. First of all we can see the general method. Next we can go for the shortcut method also. See here, this is a vessel. In this vessel we have what is there? Milk and water is there. In this vessel how many liters? 45 liters milk and water. What is the first ratio? 60 liters milk and water. 60 liters milk and water. The ratio is 3:2. By adding water to this water, the ratio becomes, milk is to water ratio becomes 2:3. See, first of all in this vessel 60 liters mixture is there. What is the mixture? Mixture is nothing but milk and water. Milk is 3 parts, water is 2 parts. By adding water to this water, the ratio becomes, water parts becomes, see here, 3:2:2. First see, check out done. I hope see here, milk is 3 parts, water is 2 parts. Here it becomes 3 parts, means how much water we have to add. So in this vessel first of all 60 liters mixture is there. Mixture is milk and water. Milk 3 parts, water 2 parts. Here after adding water, water becomes 3 parts, milk becomes 2 parts. How to find this one? First of all you can find out in this mixture how much milk is there and how much water is there. So already I told you how to find milk part is equal to, what is the milk part? 3 by total parts 3 plus 2 5, total mixture is 60. From here we can get the milk part, 5 ones 5 12s, so 12 into 3 36 liters milk is there. What about water part? Water is 2 by total parts 3 plus 2 5, total amount is 60. 5 ones 5 12s, 12 into 2 24 liters. So in this mixture the water is 36, milk is 36 liters and the water is 24 liters. Now it will be changed to 2:3. So for this water is added, so that's why you can write on like this. 36 liters milk as it is by 24 liters water. We can write down like this. For water, some x liters water added. This ratio becomes 2:3, means 2/3. Now once again note on this step. Milk is no change, water added, that's why milk I am taking as direct 36 liters by water is 24 liters. For this water, some extra water added, we don't know some x, that's why it means 24 plus x. This ratio is equal to 2:3. I already told you we can write down 2:3 like this, 2/3 also. Ratio we can write down like this also. If not, we can take it on like as proportion also. So 36 by 24 plus x, for this water some extra water, that is equal to 2/3. Cross multiplication. 36 into 3 is equal to 24 plus x into 2. 36 into 3 is 108, is equal to 48 plus 2x. Send this here. 108 minus 48, 60. 60 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 2 ones are 2, 30 times. Therefore, x is equal to 30 liters. How much water added is 30 liters water is added here. 30 liters water is added here. This is the general method. Just to know the method, we can go for the shortcut. Shortcut is very easy. We can use the formula. Using the formula, we can go for the shortcut method. Just write down. We can go for the shortcut also. Okay. Now come to the shortcut for this problem. Shortcut formula is x into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. If you know this formula, this problem is very easy. Within one step, you will get the answer. What is the formula? X into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. What is the meaning of x? X means this total mixture, we can call it as x. This total mixture, we can call it x. First ratio, we can call it as AB. First ratio, we can call it AB. Second ratio, we can call it as CD. First ratio AB, second ratio CD. Now apply the formula. Now tell me what is x? X means 60 liters. 60 into AD. A means 3, D means 3. 3 into 3. AD 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus BC. B means 2, B means C means 2. 2 into 2, 4 by A plus B, 3 plus 2. A plus B, 3 plus 2, 5 into C. C means 2. C means 2. Now see here, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, this 5 and 5 cancel. 60 by 2, 60 by 2, how much? 30. This is the answer, the required answer is 30. So within one step, you will get the by using shortcut method, that is the formula is x into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. X means the total mixture, we can call it as x. First ratio as AB, second ratio as CD. This is the shortcut formula. Now I can give another two methods, two more problems on this one. First write down this one, we can go for the other two models. Other two problems you can do it. It is very easy for you. Now come to the same model problem once again. A vessel is partially filled with a mixture of 45 liters milk and water in the ratio of 2:3. Find the quantity of water to be added to change the ratio 1:2. To change the ratio 1:2. Same model as the previous problem. So now try it. I will give the time for 20 seconds for you. Try it. So I am writing the details here only, just simply 45 liters mixture. This is x. First ratio is 2:3 AB. Second ratio is 1:2 CD. Apply the shortcut formula. What is the formula? X into AD minus BC by A plus B into C. Just take 20 seconds time and do it. If not, I will do it. Okay, see here. So once I use the same formula, x means 45 liters into AD. A means 2, D means 2. 2 into 2, 4 minus BC. B means 3, C means 3 into 1, 3 by A plus B. 2 plus 3, 5 into C. C means 1. 4 minus 3 means 1. There is no value for 1. So 5 ones, 5 nines. So 4 minus 3, 1, 9 into 1, 9. So the required answer is 9 liters is the right answer. 9 liters is the right answer. This is the method. So now we can go for the next new method. Just write down. Take 20 seconds time for it. Okay, now come to the next new model. Two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. Two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. If 14 is added to each number, the ratio will become 12:17. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number. Two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. 14 is added to each number. The ratio will become 12:17. Find the smallest number. See, in this model also we can do first of all the general method, then we can go for the shortcut. I hope general method is very important for all examinations also. Don't go for all shortcuts, that is not good for you. So you can take listen general method also and as well as shortcuts. Now see here, two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. First of all 2:3. I am assuming let the numbers are according to this ratio, I am assuming let the numbers are 2x comma 3x. Two numbers ratio of 2:3. I am assuming the numbers as 2x comma 3x. For 14 is added to each number. For these numbers 14 is added. So the numbers becomes 2x plus 14. And the one is 3x plus 14. Now here this ratio, these numbers becomes the ratio 12:17. These numbers becomes 12:17. How to write down? We can write down like this also. 2x plus 14. 2x plus 14 is to 3x plus 14 proportion 12:17. We can write down like this also. If not, we can also write down 2x plus 14 by 3x plus 14 is equal to 12/17. We can write down anyway. We can write down two methods. 2x plus 14 by 3x plus 14 is equal to 12/17, or you can write down like this also. This is in proportion, product of means, these two, product of means 3x plus 14, 3x plus 14 into 12, extremes, so 2x plus 14 into 17. Now expand to this one, 12 into 3, 36x, don't multiply, just 14 into 12, 2x into 17, 34x, 14 into 17. What we have to do is send 34x to this side, 36 minus 34, 2x, send 14, 12 to that side, 14 into 17 minus 14 into 12. Now here 2x is equal to, take common as 14 as common, 17 minus 12, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So the answer is x is equal to 7 into 12, 17 minus 12, 5. So the answer is x is equal to 35. Not x is our answer. The value of x is only 35. Here the numbers 2x and 3x. In these numbers, which is the smallest, 2x or 3x? 2x is smallest, 3x is greatest. Our question is what is the smallest number? So that's why the answer is 2x, 2 into x, 2 into x. X is how much? 35. So 2x, 2 into 35. The answer is 70 is our answer. If you want to find out the highest number, you have to take 3x, 3 into 35 is our answer. This is the general method. Generally in school level you can do like this, but don't go for that one. We can do this one as a shortcut directly. You can write on the step directly, this step directly. You can write on the step directly. Assume in the mind as 2x, 3x, 2x plus 14, 3x plus 14 proportion is equal to 12:17. You can write it directly that step also by using this method. If you don't want this one method, we can go for the shortcut also. We can go for the shortcut. So see the shortcut, how to do the shortcut problem. See the shortcut, how to do shortcut problem. Shortcut also I am writing shortcut. See, first of all you have to take what is the first ratio, 2:3. Write down like this, 2:3 as first number. How much added? 14. Write down 14 here. It becomes how much? 12:17. 12:17. We have to write down the ratios like this. This is just a process only, not a formula is not there. Just a process you have to do it. How to do the process? Write down first ratio 2:3. how much number? 14 added 12 is to 17. Write down like this. And next, what is the process is 2 into 17, how much? 2 into 7, 34. 12 into 3, how much? 36. 12 into 36. What is the difference here? Just you have to find the difference. Don't go for the positive or negative. Just to see the difference. What is the difference? Difference is 2. Here difference is. Here also find the difference. The difference is how much? 5. Just don't go for the negative or positive. Just simply find the difference. 36 minus 34, the difference is 2. 17 minus 2, the difference is 5. After writing the differences, we want the first number or second number. I mean, we want the smallest number, largest number. You want smallest number. Smallest number Sn is equal to, smallest number Sn is equal to, first write down this 14 into, that is 14 into. In these two numbers, which is the smallest? In these two numbers, which is smallest? 2 is smaller. 2 into. This we can call it as upper difference. This we can call it lower difference. This upper difference into lower difference 5 by upper difference. This is the lower difference, this upper, lower level, lower difference, upper level, upper difference. First write down 14 into smallest number is 2 into lower difference by upper difference. This 2 cancel. 14 into 5, how much means 70. See here once again, this is smallest number. How to find greatest number? Same process. Greatest number is equal to, first write down this 14 into, in these two numbers which is greatest? 3 is the greatest, 3 into lower difference 5 by upper difference. Same process, upper difference. 2 1s are 2 7s are 7 into 3 21, 21 into 5 105. But our question is only smallest number, so the answer is 70. If the question is like this, greatest number, then our answer is 105. So this is shortcut method, this is general method. Just take on the notes, it is very important for you. Do it. Now go to the same model problem. I have given the board, I have changed the numbers. Please check out the board. Two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. Two numbers are the ratio of 2:3. If 27 is added to each number, the ratio will become 19:24. Find the smallest number. You can use the shortcut method. Already previous problem is there in the board. By seeing that one, write down the, try it. Take 20 seconds time. Do it. Same model I have given for you. Do the problem. Take 20 seconds time and do it. If not, I will tell you, don't worry. The ratio is 2:3. 27 is added. The ratio is 19:24. 19:24. Find the smallest number. So first of all, I am writing the first ratio 2:3. How much added? 27 is added. 27 here. Write down 27 here. Becomes 19:24. Same process here. What I had done, same process I am doing here. 2 into 24, how much? 48. 19 into 3, how much? 57. 19 into 3, 57. Just see the difference. 57 minus 48. What is the difference? 9 is the difference. Here, what is the difference? 24 minus 19. 5 is the difference. Now, we want the smallest number Sn. Sn is equal to, first write down this 27 into, which is the smallest in 2:3. 2 is the smallest. 2 into, this is lower difference, this is upper difference. First write down lower difference 5 by upper difference 9. 9 ones are 9 threes are. So the required answer is 3 into 2 6, 6 into 5 30. So the required smallest number is 30 is the required smallest number. So whenever you want going for the cancellation, those who are non-math students repeatedly see the videos how I am cancelling. You have to grasp it the cancellations. Repeating the videos, you can get an idea. Math students is not, don't worry about that one. Whenever only for non-math students, repeat the videos how to do the cancellations. Write down this one and take 20 minutes. We can go for the next new method. Means same process. Shortcut is same process, but the matter is changed. Matter is changed. Okay, write down. Just take 20 seconds. Now, next problem, monthly incomes of A and B. Monthly incomes of A and B are in the ratio of 4:5, and their monthly expenses are in the ratio of 5:7. If each of them saves rupees 2400, find the income of A. So A and B incomes 4:5 రేషియోలో ఉన్నాయట, వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఖర్చులు ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాయంటే 5:7 రేషియోలో ఉన్నాయట. So they are saving, each of saving 2400. Then what is the income of A? This model is the same as previous method. Previous method we have done. Find the numbers. Same model as previous method. I am writing C checkout. Writing the shortcut C here. I am doing the shortcut only. Same. So A is to B. A is to B. He has given as expenses. So first he was given incomes. What is the incomes ratio? 4:5. How much saving? 2400. Write down here 2400. So expenses. Expense ratio is how much? Expense ratio is how much? 5:7. As it is previous problem. First ratio 4:5. Here number. Here 5. As it is ratio I am taken. Previous problem same as the previous problem I am doing. Now tell me. 4 into 7 how much? 28. 5 into 5 how much? 25. 28 minus 25. 28 minus 25, the difference is 3. 7 minus 5, the difference is 2. 7 minus 5, the difference is 2. Same process whatever I have done in the previous problem. Two ratios in the middle, saving number. Now you want which saving? You want which saving? If you want to find the income of A, A's income is equal to, first write down this 2400. 2400 into 2400 into, you have to take A or B, A income or B income. A income, that's why you have to take 4. If you want to take B income, you can take 5. A income is 4 into lower difference 2 by upper difference 3. This is the answer. 3 ones are 3 800s. 800 into 4 into 2, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 8 6400. This is A's income. Same model as previous problem. If you want to find B, just I am giving the numbers. Now tell me, you have to tell me B. B is equal to, once again write down this 2400 as this 2400 into, in place of A4 we have to take B. B is how much? 5. In place of 4 I take 5. This same, the lower difference 2 by upper difference 3. This is the same. Write down this one. We can go for the next new model. Okay, now come to the next new method. 3 vessels of equal capacity. 3 vessels of equal capacity contain mixtures of milk and water in the ratio of 1:2, 3:2, 2:1 respectively. If all the solutions are mixed, find the final ratio of the resulting mixture. Find the final ratio of the resulting mixture. How to do this problem? So what he was telling is, there are three vessels. There are three vessels. This is first vessel, second vessel, third vessel. In all these are three equal vessels. In all these vessels, milk and water, milk and water, milk and water are there. Milk and water. First vessel, the milk and water is 1:2. Second vessel, the milk and water is 3:2. Third vessel, the milk and water is 2:1. All these are dumped to a big vessel. All are dumped to a big vessel. So automatically the ratio is changed. This ratio becomes changed. All the three vessels, milk and water is mixed into a big vessel. So automatically milk and water ratio changed. What is that ratio? He was asking. How to find out this one? How to find out this one is very simple. See here, milk is to water. How to find? So I am writing here only. Milk is to water. Milk is to water. Milk is to water. First of all, you have to separate all the milk part in three vessels, and afterwards we can go for the water part. In the first vessel, what is the milk part? 1. By total parts, 1 plus 2, 3. This is the milk part of first vessel plus. In the second vessel, milk part is 3. By total parts, 3 plus 2, 5. Third vessel, the milk part is 2. By total parts, 2 plus 1, 3. This is the separation of milk in all the parts, in all the vessels. Separation of milk in all the vessels. Now go for the same process for water. In the first vessel, water part is 2. Write down 2 here. By total parts, 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3 plus. In the second vessel, water is 2. 2. By total parts, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 plus. In the third vessel, water is 1. 1 by total parts, 2 plus 1, 3. This is the process. Now here you can find out the just LCM, you can get the answer. How to find LCM? What is the LCM for 353? The LCM for 353 is 15 is the LCM. 3 will strikes 15 5 times, 5 into 1, 5. 5 will strikes 15 3 times, 5 will strike 15 3 times, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9. 3 will strikes 15 5 times, 5 2s are 10. Ratio, same process here also. LCM is 353, the LCM is 15. 3 will strikes 5, the 3 will strike 15 5 times, 5 2s are 10. 5 strikes 15 3 times, 3 into 2, 6. 3 strikes 15 5 times, 5 into 1, 5. Now in the denominator, both are 15 same values, we can cancel out. Therefore the required answer is 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 10, 24. 24 is to 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. So the final answer is 24 is, the milk and water ratio is 24 is to 21. But in examination, I hope this answer will not be there. Why? Because if there is a chance of cancellation, we have to cancel. Here 24 is 21, we can cancel one table. What is the table? We can cancel with a common number. What is the table? 2 or 3. 2 will not cancel, 3 will cancel. 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21. Whenever there is chance of cancellation, compulsory have to cancel. So therefore the required answer is 8:7 is the required answer. This is the process. Just for explanation, I have taken a lengthy method, but in shortcut, we have to write down directly. You can see these three numbers. 1 by total pass 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 3 plus 2 5, next 2 by 2 plus 1 3. Where write down only this step only. For explanation, I have taken a lengthy steps. Don't write down all these steps. Just for our understanding, I have given this lengthy process. Just in shortcut, we have to only write down this step only. Write down this step only. It is very easy for you. This method is very important. I will give another problem for you. First write down this one. Afterwards, we can go for the same model problem. Take 20 seconds time. In the board I have given the second method, same model problem. Here I have changed the numbers. Try it. Take 20 seconds. Already first model is in the board only. By seeing this model, do it. Try it. If not, I will tell you. Just take 20 seconds time. I have changed the numbers here. This is the second problem. Same model, second problem. Don't confuse. This is the second problem. I will tell you the method. Take 20 seconds time for it. This is the first method problem, already there in the board. By seeing this one, check out and try it. If not, I will tell you, don't worry. Now see here, milk is to water. First vessel milk part is 1 by total parts 1 plus 2 3 plus in the second vessel milk part is 2 by total parts 2 plus 3 5. In the third vessel milk part is 3 by total parts 3 plus 2 5. I am getting milk part. Go for water. Water part is 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Water part is in the second one 3, 2 plus 3, 5. Next water part in the last one 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Over. Now, what is the LCM for this one? LCM for 3, 5, 5, 15 LCM. 3 will strike 15, how many? 5 times. 5 into 1, 5. 5, 15, 3 times. 3 into 2, 6. 5, 15, 3 times, 3 into 3, 9. Same process here also 15. 3, 5 times, 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15, 3 into 3, 9. 5 3 is 15, 3 into 2, 6. In the denominator, LCM is same, 15, 15 cancel. Go for our numerator, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 9, 20. 20 is 2. 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 6, 25. So the answer is 20 is to 25. Already I told you, if there is a chance of cancellation in the ratio, if any common number, cancel it. That is the best way. In these two numbers, 5 will cancel. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the required answer is 4 is to 5 is the required answer. 4 is to 5 is the required answer. 4 is to 5 is the required. This is the answer for this one. This is the first one, first method. Don't write on this one. Write on this one. Take 20 seconds time and try it out. Now come to the next new model. See the problem. 10 stools cost as much as 27 chairs. 16 chairs cost as much as 5 tables. 9 tables cost as much as 2 benches. If one bench costs rupees 480, find the cost of each stool. This is the problem. Once again, check out the problem. 10 stools cost as much as 27 chairs. 16 chairs cost as much as 5 tables. 9 tables cost as much as 2 benches. If one bench costs rupees 480, find the cost of each stool. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం చెప్తుందంటే 10 స్టూల్స్ కాస్ట్ 27 చైర్స్ సమానం, 16 చైర్స్ కాస్ట్ 5 టేబుల్స్ సమానం అండ్ సో అనే విధంగా చెప్తూ మన బెంచ్ కాస్ట్, స్టూల్ కాస్ట్ ఎంత అనేది ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అజ్యూమ్ the cost, find the cost of stool. Assume the cost of stool as x rupees. First of all, you would assume the cost of stool as x rupees. I am assuming like this. X rupees is equal to one stool. First of all, I am assuming like this. Whatever the question, find the cost of stool. I am assuming the stool cost, one stool cost as x rupees. After writing this one, we have to write down the data whatever it was given. 10 stools cost as 27 chairs. Write down 10 stools. 10 stools is equal to 27 chairs. Write down the next step. 16 chairs cost as 5 tables. Write down 16 chairs is equal to 5 tables. Next, 9 tables is equal to 2 benches. Next, 1 bench is equal to 480 rupees. In this model, starting with rupees and ending with rupees. This is a chain process. See here, stool, chair, table, bench. Well, first of all, write down the problem like this. First of all, the question, what is the question? Cost of stool, assume the cost of stool is x. One stool cost assumed as x rupees. Then write down the as is the data. 10 stools is equal to 27 chairs, 16 chairs is equal to 5 tables, 9 tables is equal to 2 benches, 1 bench is equal to 480. After writing like this, what the process is? Multiply the left hand side numbers. Multiply the left hand numbers is equal to right hand side numbers. Multiply all the left hand side numbers is equal to right hand side numbers. See here, left hand side numbers only. X into 10 into 16 into 9 into 1 is equal to left hand side numbers multiplication is equal to right hand side numbers. Right hand side numbers 1 into 27 into 5 into 2 into 480. After writing this, just cancellation. The 10 means here this 0 cancel, is equal to is there, both sides cancel 0. 16 ones, 16 threes are 48. 16 ones, 16 threes are 48. Now here 9 ones, 9 threes are 27. Here the remaining is x is equal to 1 into 3 3, 3 into 5 15, 15 into 2 30, 30 into 3 90 rupees. X is equal to 90 rupees. What is the meaning of x? X means one stool. The question is cost of one stool. So therefore the cost of stool cost is 90 rupees is the answer. Very simple model. Just simply write down first of all what is the cost of stool. Stool is equal to x rupees, and write down the data as it is was given, and left hand side numbers multiplication is equal to right hand side numbers multiplication. This is also a very important method. Just take 20 seconds time to write down this one. Then I can give the same model problem for you. You can do it. Now come to same model problem. 12 stools cost as much as 9 chairs. 6 chairs cost as much as 4 tables. 5 tables cost as much as 6 benches. If one bench costs rupees 120, find the cost of each stool. Same model as previous. take 20 seconds time to do it. Okay, now see here, same process. First of all, find the cost of each stool. Assume x rupees is equal to 1 stool. Next, write down the data whatever he has given. 12 stools is equal to 9 chairs. 12 stools is equal to 9 chairs. Next, 6 chairs is equal to 4 tables. 4 tables. Next, 5 tables is equal to 6 benches. Next, one bench, 1B is equal to 120 rupees. Already I told you, starting with money and ending with money. This is the process. Next, what you have to do, multiply the left hand side numbers is equal to multiply the right hand side numbers. Left hand side numbers are x into 12 into 6 into 5 into 1 is equal to right hand side numbers 1 into 9 into 4 into 6 into 120. Now we can cancel here middle is equal to is there. This 6 and this 6 cancel. Now 12 ones are 12 tens are 120. Now 5 ones 5 twos are 10. Now here it is remaining x is equal to multiply the numbers 1 into 9 9 into 4 36 into 2 1 into 9 into 4 36 into 2 72 rupees. So the cost of stool is how much is 72 rupees is the method. This is also one of the important method. Just write and take 20 seconds, we can go for the new method. Okay, now come to the next new model. First, see the problem. A solution of 30 liters contains 20% of sugar. If 5 liters of the solution is evaporated, find the percentage of sugar in the final solution. This is also a very important method. Just do here. So see, a solution of 30 liters contains 20% of sugar. If 5 liters of solution is evaporated, find the percentage of sugar in the final solution. Evaporated means deleted. I mean, evaporated means it is the water is deleted. See here. First of all, 30 liters contains how much sugar is there? 20% sugar is there. 20% sugar is there. In this 30 liters, 5 liters of solution evaporated. Evaporated means deleted. Subtract -5. Now it becomes 25 liters only. In this, what is the sugar concentration? This is the question. In 30 liters, first of all, sugar is 20% is there. 5 liters evaporated means avirayipayindi ante deleted. -5 liters. Now the water is only 25 liters solution is there. In this, how much? Here you can use the formula m1 d1 is equal to m2 d2 formula like that. You can use the formula the 30 into 20 and this into x. So 30 into 20%, 30 into 20 is equal to 25 into in place of question mark take x. This is the method. 30 into 20 is equal to 25 into x. This is the method. So 5 5s are 5 4s are 5 1s are 5 6 6 into 4 24 is equal to x. So what is the value of this? What is the meaning of this one? X means question mark. Here, see the upwards, it is percentage. Therefore, X is equal to 24%. So finally, the sugar concentration is how much is 24. If 5 liters water is evaporated, the sugar concentration becomes 24% is the required answer. Once again, check out the problem. 30 liters contains 20% sugar. 5 liters evaporated means it is deleted. Subtract minus 5, it becomes 25 liters. In this, how much percentage? Here I use the formula, previous methods like M1, D1 formula. These two. 30 into 20 is equal to 25 into some question mark is X. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 6 are 30. 6 into 4 is equal to X. X is equal, so X is equal to 24. What is the meaning of this 24 means? See upwards question mark point, this is percentage. Write down percentage. X is equal to 24%. This is also very important. I will give the same in place of evaporated in the next method. I will give water is joined, water is added. When water is added, in place of your minus, we can take it as plus. Okay, we can see the next method. First write down this one. I can go for that one. Take 20 seconds time. Now come to the next method. A small change is there. A small change in this method. See here. What is the difference between the previous method and this method? A solution of 60 liters contains 20% of sugar. If 15 liters of the water is solution is added, 15 liters of water, I mean not the solution here, it is water is added. Water is added. Find the percentage of sugar in the final solution. So here 15 liters water is added here. In previous problem it is evaporated means deleted. Now here water added. That's why we have to write down. See here what is the process. First of all, 60 liters contains 20% of sugar. 15 liters water added means plus 15 here. So 60 plus 15 is 75 liters. This is question mark. Same process only. Evaporate means we have to delete the water. Add means we have to add it. Same process. 60 into 20% is equal to 75 into, in place of question mark, take X. Take the table of 15 table. 15 5s are 75. 15 4s are 60. 5 1s, 5 4s. 4 into 4, 16% is equal to X. Why? Because X question mark place, this is percentage, that's 16%. 4 into 4, 16%. Same process, just a simple difference is, in previous problem, evaporate means deleted. Here it is added means we have to take plus 15. This is the only small change. So the answer is 16%. Take 20 seconds time for you. Now come to the next new model. In a map, the scale is represented as 1 mm, 1 millimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. What is the actual distance between the two countries which are 12 centimeters apart in the map? Once again check out. In a map, the scale is represented as 1 mm is equal to 100 kilometers. What is the actual distance between the two countries which are 12 centimeters apart in the map? He was telling 1 millimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. And he was telling 12 centimeters how much. So when you are comparing 12 cm, don't compare the same. The units will be same. Units will be same. Then only you have to compare. Actually, 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters is the condition. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. For 12 centimeters, you will get as for 12 centimeters is equal to 12 into 10. You will get as 120 millimeters. So in place of 12 centimeters, we have take 120 millimeters. 120 millimeters is equal to how many kilometers? This is the question. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 1 mm is equal to 100 kilometers. Then for 12 centimeters, convert into millimeters, 120 millimeters, how many kilometers? How many kilometers? Simply cross multiplication, these two and these two. If not, 1 becomes 100, 1 becomes 100. So into 100, 1, here also into 100, you will get 12,000. If not, cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 120 into 100, 120 into 100 by 1. So the answer is 12,000. What are the units? Question mark, see here, the units is kilometers. This is one method. If not, you can take like this also. 1 into 100, 1 into 100, 100. 120 into 100, 120 into 100, you will get 12,000. You can take this one, that one also. You can take any one. This is the method. Write down this one, take 20 seconds time for you. Come to next model. Find the ratio in which a solution of 40% alcohol be mixed with a solution of 50% alcohol to get a mixture of 40% alcohol. So here there are two types of alcohols, 40% and 50%. By mixing we will get as 40%. How to do this model? This actually we can do this problem by using elimination of mixtures. So we have to take the problem like this. By the rule of elimination of mixtures. By the rule of elimination of mixtures. By the rule of elimination of mixtures, what is the process? This is a process only. First write down 40% here, 40 and 50 here. Mixed mixture write down here 48. This is the process. First 40 this side, 50 that side, mixed 48 in the middle. Now write down big number minus small number. Big number is 50 minus 48. The answer value is 2. 2 is 2. Here also big number minus small number. 48 minus 40, the value is 8. This is the answer. 2 is to 8 is the answer. If not, you can cancel with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 1 is to 4 is the required answer. 1 is to 4 is the required answer. This is the method. By the rule of elimination of mixtures, according to this method, write on the first least one 40 and highest one the 50. Mixture write on the middle. Big number minus small number, 50 minus 48 2. Big number minus small number, 48 minus 48. So the answer is 2 is to 8 is the answer. Cancel with 2. 1 is to 4 is the required answer. Take 20 seconds time to write on this one. Same model and the problem. Same model and the problem. First write on the least one, that is 60%. Find the ratio in which a solution of 60% alcohol be mixed with a solution of 80% alcohol to get a mixture of 70% alcohol. Write down the first least number 60 here and 80 to that side. Mixture 75 in the middle. 80 minus 75, 5 is to 75 minus 60. Big number or small number. The value is 15. So the answer is 5 is to 15. Cancel with 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3 is 15. 1 is to 3 is the answer. Take it on. With this ratio proportion topic is over. My name is Venugopal. I am from DICE Academy. If you are interested, please give me a message to me in the YouTube also. All of you, all the best.